So we're recording now. So what we're going to do this evening is we're going to go ahead and go over your reviews. You know, you guys, I gave y'all one on radiology, path and lab. And then today, have y'all had time to do the one for today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm wondering if there's a way for me to connect to my I don't know. Okay, we're just going to get through this the best we can. Okay, so let's do radiology first. Do you guys have your radiology packet out?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So in radiology, number 1 is B. 2 is A. 3 is B. 4 is D. 5 is B.
Excuse me?
Uh-huh.
4 is D as in dog?
D as in dog.
Thank you.
D. Number 5 is B as in boy. Number 6 is C. Number 7 is B as in boy. Number 8 is D as in dog. Number 9 is B as in boy. Number 10 is C. Number 11 is A. Number 12 is C. Number 13.
Could you please repeat? I'm sorry. Number 11.
A.
Okay.
Number 12 is C. Number 13 is B as in boy. Number 14 is A. Number 15 is C. Do we need to go over any of those?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so we're good with that little packet. All right, let's do our path and lab. So y'all ready? You have your path and lab ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, number 1 is 82075. Number 2 is 80415. Number 3 is 80055. Number 4 is 88166. I'm turning my phone off, sorry. Number 5 is 87275. Number 6 is 81000. Number 7 is 82810. Number 8 is 82565. And number 9 has 3 codes. 86709, 86705, 86803. My ear is itching. Number 10 is 80323. Do we need to go back over any of those?
The last, please, the last code on number 9.
The last code on number 9 is 86803.
Thank you.
Okay. Can you guys hear me at all? I know, Miss Maria, you can, but Rachel, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Carmen, you can hear me?
Yes, ma'am. You're in and out, but I can hear you.
Okay, well, you guys are all frozen, so I can't tell anything. Tay, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. I'm the same
Okay.
as Carmen.
Okay. All right, I'm sorry, guys. My internet connection is unstable, but I'm doing the best I can with it. So, all right, today you guys had a lab, and it was on the inpatient coding. It was chapter 27. It was 5 problems. Were you able to get to those?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm going to go over the questions for those, or the answers. I'm sorry, the answers for
Yes.
those.
Miss Marcia, can I ask you a question? The
Sure.
5 questions you gave us for today, was that the same questions as chapter 27?
Yes, because that's all
Okay.
that's all the examples I have for that chapter. So when you
Okay,
get them
'cause
on your
I got to looking at them. I got
So
to
when
looking
you-
at them, I was like, wait a minute, that's what we just did.
yeah, you just did those, and if you see a couple on your final test, you're going to do really well with them because you've already had them like 3 or 4 times. So, but number 1 is K85.90. Number 2 is C34.90. J44.1. Z53.09. So all 3 of those codes is number 2. Are we okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Number 3 is I50.9. Number 4 is I21.9.
0.9.
Yep. I21.9. I think some of you on your test put I21. I did not mark that wrong because you were in the right section, but I21.9 is the answer. Number 5 is T62.94 and K52.9.
Repeat that, teacher.
T62.94.
Can you repeat number 1 for me?
Sure. K85.90. All right. Do you guys have your CPTs handy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for some reason, I just decided I would leave out the medicine section when I was giving you your little coding packets. So I made a little one today that we could do together. Yay! We get to go together. Okay, so you're going to see this is your actual coding problem. And what I did is when you see the different colors, I kind of mapped out what I did to find the code. So the first one is a 3-hour and 15-minute infusion of a chemotherapeutic agent. And there's going to be 2 codes. So if I'm remembering correctly, I went to chemo. To chemotherapy. I don't like that I can't see y'all. I wonder. That's not what I wanted to do.
We got 3 codes in here
Oh, no, that's not what I
in
wanted to do.
infusion. Well,
There
let's
we
see.
go. There's where we need to be. Okay, so there's only going to be 2 codes for this one. So just write them down when you find them, and then let me know when you're ready, and then I'll just go to the answer slide. Did y'all find chemotherapy? Then you go under intravenous, and then you're going to see infusion. Is that where y'all went?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how are we? Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
There are answers. Do I need to go back to the scenario, or y'all good?
Good.
Did everybody
Good.
get that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So this is our next one. I hate that I can't see y'all. This patient is diagnosed with psoriasis and presents to the clinic for laser treatment to 375 square centimeters. Now, the reason that I have psoriasis underlined and in a different color is because when you look up your treatment, that's actually going to be important.
That's not what's on the screen, Miss Marsha.
Right. Slide needs to change.
Huh?
Slide didn't change.
It's still showing the answer codes for the other one.
Okay. Well, I changed the slide. I could see it. I don't know why y'all couldn't. Let's try that again. How about now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What in the
Mine
world
still
is
saying
going on? Can y'all see that? The patient is diagnosed with psoriasis. Can you see that one?
No.
No.
Oh,
My,
this,
There you
my
go.
screen is still loading.
Hey, Tay.
try again.
The spotlight on Taylor.
Mm.
There's Miss Marsha.
I'd hook
All right.
y'all's neck if I could. Y'all.
Ah, there we go.
Y'all can see it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Praise the Lord.
Part
Thank
of
you, Jesus.
Part of it.
It's part.
Just part of it, but
Well, it says this patient is
Bye.
diagnosed with psoriasis. Do y'all see that part?
I can
Is
see
it
the light
right?
is down.
Laser.
Okay, let me see. Let me move. Well, y'all, can you see this one?
There we go.
Yeah, I can see that one.
Well, this one's a totally different. We'll just skip the other one because you can't see it. Isn't this crazy? I'm so sorry. The patient presents for a serial tonometry with multiple measurements of intraocular pressure over an extended time period, same day with interpretation and report. I want to point out that just because there's a lot of words does not make this a complicated scenario. We're actually looking for a serial tonometry is what we're looking for.
We have only one code for tonometry.
Well, yeah, just because it's a long one doesn't mean that it's going to be more than one code. It is just one code. Oh, so you go to tonometry. I knew that. I was going to the wrong thing. This internet business has got me all miscalibrated. Yeah, you go to tonometry and then you're going to see serial beside it. So did anybody actually look at the code?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. So what's the answer?
92100.
Right. So that scenario had a lot of different stuff in it, but when we actually looked at the code, there was just one code there for us to choose from. Then when you go to your code and you compare, everything's already in the description. So that's why I don't want you guys to get scared when you see a scenario that's really long. I know most of you don't, but you know. Can you see this one?
I can't see anything.
Oh, for heaven's sakes. What about that one?
It's still on the serial tonometry.
Oh, for heaven's sakes. I'm so sorry. Okay. I'm sorry, it has not turned out well this evening, but it's not because the coding practice isn't there. What I will do is I will take this slideshow when we hang up from the call and I'll go ahead and put it on Edmodo just so you can see the practice that's there. It's not hard. They were just easy, fun little things. But that way you can still get the little bit of extra practice for the medicine section since I decided to skip that before. Because your final test is tomorrow, but I don't want you guys to worry. It's just going to be coding. And it's all coding that you've seen before. It's nothing that's going to be new and crazy, okay? And then for some of you, coding is over. And I don't know if you're happy about that or not. It's my favorite thing. The other stuff you're going to be like, oh, that's not as exciting as coding, but you know, we'll be learning front office and electronic health records and all those good things. So thank you guys for being here. Do you guys have any questions? Do you have any concerns?
On the little book we have to register, Miss Kim. Hey, Miss Kim, or Miss Marsha. Like, how do you get to the book? It let me register it, but it wouldn't let me get to the actual book.
Okay,
I'm
maybe
not
I can share. Okay,
understanding.
let me see if I can share my screen and show you. Okay. I'm not promising anything. Okay, so share. Okay, there. I want to get out of that.
If you have a girls' day and I'll go, we'll walk through it together.
Okay, this is driving me crazy, guys. Okay, here we go. All right. You're still there, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can y'all see everything that I'm doing right here?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I'm just making sure. Usually you can. Okay, so I'm going to Elsevier, or you can do Evolve. See how it says Evolve here? And I'm going to sign in, but you have to make an Evolve account to be able to get in. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your catalog, and you see right here where it says search below to find the Elsevier, blah, 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 blah. Well, on the back
My
of
screen's black.
huh?
My screen's black.
Okay, Carmen, I tell you what.
Miss Marsha, can you like Zoom?
Huh?
Miss Marsha, can you do like a Zoom recording? How to log in?
I will do a Zoom recording because this isn't working tonight. I am so very sorry. But when you make your account, you're going to go to the catalog, and I'm going to do the recording too. But right here on the back is an ISBN number. You type that in, but when I make the recording, I'll go step by step by step, okay? Either that or
Oh, yes, please.
I'll
Thank you.
go step by step. It's not hard. So I'm so sorry this has turned into a rat race. But I'm still very glad to see your faces. I needed to today. I needed to see you today.
Miss Marsha,
Yes, dear.
we have one scenario that we don't check our codes for clinical history, benign hypertrophy of prostate.
I'm sorry, Miss Maria, you broke up. What are you talking about?
It's about this.
Oh, is it the homework?
Yes.
Yeah,
coding
what
scenario? Oh,
do
I'm
you
sorry.
have for code?
Oh, it's 88305. I'm sorry, I completely forgot about it.
830.
88305.
I was way off on that.
Me too. Me too.
Well,
too.
listen, let me take a look at it and make sure that I wasn't way off. It could have been me. But I'll double check it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, I got the same thing you did.
You got the same thing that I did, 88305?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, ladies.
No,
Well,
I
thank-
got the different codes.
Taylor, what did you get?
I got like a 5 code. That was, I already closed my book. Got 55700. It's like way off. I don't know why I was in the 5s.
Okay, well,
That's
Yeah, me too.
Okay, I'll look at it again when we get off the call and just double check it, and then I'll just shoot out on on Remind. Yeah, it was right, or no, it wasn't. Okay. All right.
Yeah,
Thank you guys
please.
for being so patient. The
Okay.
internet's just crazy,
Thank
so I'm gonna let
you.
y'all go. If you need me, call me. Great to see you guys. Talk to you later.